Will Theta explicitly reach $100? Indeed, we can't tell without a doubt, be that as it may. There's most certainly no great explanation for why it shouldn't. Since the send-off of Theta's mainnet, things are looking extremely sure for the coin. Also, on the off chance that you ask us. Indeed, this is only the start. A great deal can occur in 2022 and 2023. That's without a doubt, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The video real-time industry is set to detonate in the following 2 to 3 years. This may very well lift interest for Theta's innovation as individuals really search for less expensive and better video web-based choices. Theta's mainnet was sent off in 2019, and its local cash, the Theta coin, started rising consistently. Interestingly, that month, its market cap additionally started climbing and outperformed players like Tron, TRX, and Particle, Miota. The coin started rising illustratively towards the finish of 2020 and in a real sense, went on to accomplish its ongoing all-time high of $15.90 in mid-April 2021. And keeping in mind that Theta fundamentally has lost more than 75% of its pinnacle esteem, there is a decent opportunity that it can, in every practical sense, bloom in the right economic situations and reach $100 per coin. Over this short aid, we will be seeing reasons that could drive Theta's cost to that point. However, before that, let us rapidly investigate its ongoing business sector remaining in a significant manner. Theta current value, which is very critical. Theta is right now exchanging at $3.47 to the United States dollars, with a market cap of $3.4 billion and a 24-hour exchanging volume of $319 million. It is position number 43 on CoinMarketCap's rundown of top 100 digital forms of money. As referenced before, Theta had an illustrative development progressively ease in late 2020 and mid-2021. When it happened to turn into the 15th, kind of the biggest digital currency on the planet basically. The coin didn't, be that as it may, reach $1 until late December 2020, when it got a bullish energy, and went on to arrive at its unequaled high of $15.90 in mid-April 2021. Theta has since been on a downtrend from that point forward, just momentarily contacting the $9 mark again in September 2021. And is as of now exchanging at about $3.4. In any case, financial backers are as yet confident about Theta performing great this year. Anyway, will Theta for the most part hit $100, regardless of its ongoing low cost? Let us investigate that in the accompanying segment. Or so they thought. In this way, will Theta especially reach $100 in a significant way? Theta has a great deal happening for it at the present time. Furthermore, as we have proactively referenced, the video web-based industry is going to detonate. As a matter of fact, industry specialists have been expanding their interests in this circle of innovation as of late because of its tremendous potential for development. This fundamentally intends that in the event that Theta's center plan of action prevails true to form, the coin has an extremely brilliant future. Theta is additionally one of the couple of really decentralized video web-based projects in the market at the present time. The group behind this undertaking accepts that decentralization generally is the way to fair rewards for content makers and quality substance being shared inside the organization. Having said that, the Theta coin has a great deal of potential. Furthermore, $100 lingers not far off, frankly. Here are a portion of the justifications for why Theta could hit $100, or much higher than that before very long. Developing interest for better web-based features. As additional individuals join the organization, there will be an improvement in video quality on Theta. Also, as the quantity of clients increments, interest for better video real-time features is set to rise. This will push more individuals towards the Theta coin and its innovation, which will ultimately build its worth. Web-based recordings that don't gobble up portable information. Theta's blockchain-fueled innovation empowers more effective information conveyance all through the organization. And that implies that clients can transfer recordings at higher goals without squandering their versatile transmission capacity information. This will push interest for Theta's innovation up and work on its cost in a significant manner. Lower charges. Theta coin is a conditional symbolic that is exceptionally smooth to use on the stage. What's more, since exchanges on Theta will soon certainly be free, clients will undoubtedly utilize the token to execute as opposed to simply holding them for speculative purposes. Furthermore, as additional exchanges explicitly occur on the stage, interest for Theta will expand, and its sticker price is likewise liable to rise. Theta's guide appears to be encouraging, and it will assume a critical part in driving Theta's cost to $100, or considerably higher. For example, the Theta Group is dealing with an interplanetary record framework, IPFS, to guarantee that clients all over the planet can utilize Theta coin rapidly and productively. The undertaking likewise has a DApp program in progress, which will urge significantly more engineers to commonly come ready. All things considered, Theta is a promising coin with a ton of possible in a significant manner. It has a really impressive group behind it and a strong arrangement to guarantee that the project's blockchain-fueled video conveyance innovation drives up interest for Theta from the two clients and content makers. Will Theta in the end reach $1,000? This is clearly in every practical sense remote chance. However, since anything is truly conceivable in the crypto space, precluding the chance in a significant way would be impulsive. For example, let us guess that Theta especially drives through with its arrangement to remove the video content conveyance industry, and heaps of individuals start utilizing its blockchain-fueled innovation. Indeed, it isn't unrealistic for the quantity of clients on the Theta organization to ascend to millions by, say, 2024. On the off chance that truly such a situation transpires, the interest for Theta will rise dramatically, or so they thought. This would be trailed by an expansion in its cost to something like $100 plus per Theta extremely token. What's more, since there especially are just 1 billion of them out there, this generally intends that assuming they sort of are for the most part utilized on the stage, they could turn out to be scant exceptionally quick, which would assist with pushing costs to much more significant levels, like $1,000 per coin. Notwithstanding, this is all guessing. The best way to understand what's to come for the most part holds is to keep a watch out how Theta's innovation works out in genuine use cases. The truth will come out eventually, truly. What will Theta be worth in 2025 in every way that really matters? Enormous way. Since Theta coin is as yet attempting to cut out a space for itself in the crypto business, it basically is excessively commonly right on time to generally make expectations on its cost, or so they thought. Notwithstanding, assuming Theta's innovation functions admirably for video content conveyance and a huge number of clients get onto the stage, then there essentially are high possibilities that its worth will rise dramatically by 2025 or much prior. Theta coin's market cap is just $3.4 billion as of the hour of compassing, so there is a great deal of space for development, particularly in the event that it gets acknowledged by additional substance suppliers and web-based streaming stages. It appears to be that the Theta coin has a brilliant future ahead, considering that its cost is still low, contrasted with other cryptos available. In this way, assuming you put stock coming soon for video content conveyance and need to put resources into crypto with high possibilities, then Theta coin basically is most certainly 1-2 in every way that really matters. Watch. And will Theta reach $100? As we would see it, indeed, it will in a significant way. Theta has areas of strength for a sponsorship the undertaking, and its incentive